Good morning. This is our tent site. Sand beach. Oh. Lovely river. सुबह का टाइम है, चलो बाहर चलते हैं। यहाँ हमने कैंप फायर की थी रात को, यहाँ खाना बनाया। We are staying here now. Sandhu and Patani has gone to take up bikes. This is a lovely view. And what river is this? Very nice place to chill. चलो